Welcome to XDuce Customer Spotlight. Today we're speaking with Catherine Debari from Hell International. Welcome, Catherine.
Good to be here. Thanks for inviting me.
And what did XDuce do for Hell International?
So we started working with XDuce shortly after go live, and we needed some help with some post go live cleanup activities, things that perhaps weren't done right the first time, and you were able to jump right in really across all of the modules and fix those problems so that now we're in a pretty stable state and ready to move forward with the rollout of additional modules.
And what does future look like? What do you have up the horizon for rollout as far as Oracle products go?
Well, we're working on performance now, but probably the big one would be a move to the recruiting cloud. And that is where we're really looking to partner with you and take advantage of your relationships with Oracle